Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys our trip to Mahabaleshwar. I'm super excited, so let's get started. We are in the car and I was sleeping the entire time because I actually have motion sickness and claustrophobia. So I had to take this medicine which makes me sleepy. So I was sleeping for the entire trip, which is around 5 hours, and the clip you're seeing here is actually filmed by my mom. We could tell that Mahabaleshwar was here because there were strawberries everywhere, berries everywhere, and some other vegetables that only grow there. So it was amazing to see that. Mostly because you don't see strawberries here in Pune. So here in Mahabaleshwar, we actually ate the Mapro strawberry cream, and it tasted amazing. It was so good, and it's definitely a must try. The cream on the top tasted like it was like a cheesy effect to it, and the strawberry on the bottom just tasted so yummy, and it would be a total recommendation. We also tried these peri-peri French fries, which were also good. We even got some strawberries from a local person. So we actually went through a lot of resorts, and by a lot, it's actually so many. But we couldn't find one that we liked. So we kept on searching and finally found one that we liked. Right now it's around 6:20, and I just woke up right now because I was super tired when we came to our resort. After traveling and exploring different ones, we finally found the one we were looking for. So right now, as you can see, me, my mom, and my dad just woke up, and we're gonna have some fresh tea and go outside and play some of the games they have. As you can see here, we're playing table tennis, and please don't judge me because I'm very bad at table tennis. Definitely show you a tour tomorrow because it's really dark outside, so I'll show you for sure tomorrow. So this is day 2 for our vacation in Mahabaleshwar, and right now it's around, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Around 10 o'clock. We woke up around 9:30, and then we got all ready, brushed our teeth, washed our face, and we're here. So this is some paratha, some pohe, some curd, some butter, some jam, toast. After we ate, we played archery, played table tennis, and later this evening we'll also play badminton, and right now we're playing carom. We asked them to bring the carom board inside our room, and here my mom is adjusting the right now I'm all ready because we're gonna go horse riding and boat riding, and before we go there we're even gonna have some lunch. let's go. And if you're wondering what I'm wearing this Hedwig Harry Potter shirt and then this bell-bottom pants. So we're eating misal pav, some what was it called? Yeah, pina colada, and some idli sambar. Okay, so we're here. I was actually terrified the entire time except the last few minutes because I was kind of normal then and it was pretty fine, but please excuse the reaction on my face because I'm scared the entire time. This one is a must-see. I don't know how they don't get scared.
Ready?
We didn't do any boat riding because the weather wasn't in the best condition, so we thought it would rain. Hello guys, this is day 3 of being at our resort. It's really chilly, but it feels amazing to be in nature. We're having our breakfast right now, chole and bhature. And after eating, we're actually gonna go have a bath, and then we're gonna go to a really famous fort, and we're gonna go hike there. It's actually my first hiking experience, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna show you guys also how to eat this bhature because it's super huge and super fluffed up. So you have to start with like poking a hole, and then you like tear it, and then you dip it into the chole, and then you eat it. I wanted to show all of you guys a quick room tour. So once you open the door or come from the entrance, this is the entrance. I think it's really beautiful, and then there's a welcome mat. Once you close the door, besides the door you'll see some curtains, which is the view that I just showed you guys. Then there's a couple of magazines, and then this weird structured sofas, but I think they're super cool and comfy. Then this big huge table, and beside each of the sofas there's actually a coffee table, a mini coffee table. This is the first counter where there's a bunch of cabinets, and then the water which warms up the tray, and then the strikers and the carom powder, the carom board. Then here are the milk and the coffee powder, our key, this is like a code, and then the microwave, a couple of bottles, the sink, and then this is the bedroom, this is the bed. And once you open the curtains, this is the view. We actually have a personal sit out. There's a table, this is my mom, TV, and then in here this is the shower area, the sink, and I really like this ring around the the ring around the mirror and the washroom. Then here is the wardrobe, and on top of that is the AC. Then this table, side table, which has a lamp, and the other side table, and a desk which has the ring around the light in the bathroom, and then another side table which has a cup of water, and this phone to call the reception or the kitchen. You might think why we're panting so much, but it's really hard to hike. It's super tiring. So we're finally here at the top of the mountain, and it was a really beautiful view. You could see so many things, and as far as you can see them, it's only trees and trees. on our way home, we also saw this adorable little puppy. He was super cute. So right now I'm eating raw mango with some spices and some salt on top. In Marathi it's called tairi. Later, I didn't film much because I forgot to take my medicine for motion sickness and my stomach was paining the entire trip, but then I started to feel better once I ate something, and it was a really horrible experience at the end. But I hope all of you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Till then, bye!